Hi everyone, my name is Roger. I'm the owner and the General Manager of Mitten Vinyl Australia. Mitten Vinyl Australia is a family-owned business and has been established for 37 years. Mitten Vinyl specialises in vinyl wall cladding, which gives your home a superior look and finish at a fraction of the cost in comparison to all cladding types. Advantages of Mitten Vinyl Wall Cladding are the following: weather resistance, low maintenance, energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal and longevity. Easy installation, environment friendly, lightweight, limited lifetime warranty, safe to use, cost effective, reduced building time, unique cladding profile and finish. Mitten Vinyl Australia is the only supplier who stocks a traditional Cedar line range in a wood grain matte finish. So come on in and reach out to our friendly team on 1300 665 543 or sales@mittenvinyl.com.au.